Fewer people visited the Suncoast this spring compared to a year ago when the Easter holiday fell in March.
But local tourism officials say there are other factors that contributed to this slight decline. ABC 7's Dwayne Lindo is joining us live from downtown Sarasota with more. Dwayne.
Well, good afternoon, Scott and Haley. Believe it or not, Sarasota hotels were at a 98% occupancy last March, our peak month. Hotels may have been, but the price of those hotels may have been the reason for the drop.
Suncoast beaches and the Suncoast spring training season has seen record-breaking numbers for years. But what goes up must come down.
After 5 years of torrid record-breaking growth, it's something we saw and expected that it would flatten out a little bit.
Visit Sarasota County's Virginia Haley says there's a reason for that.
People who were here last year were a little taken aback with how expensive it can be during high season.
She says the international market has been down as well, with Canada being Sarasota's #1 visitor.
They're paying almost a 30% premium to come here. Now, the good news is we ran a big campaign in Toronto earlier this year, and we were able to actually get that Canadian business back.
And in Manatee County, Executive Director of the Bradenton Area Convention Bureau, Elliot Falcioni, says the spring season was soft but strong.
Our average daily rates still showed growth this past spring. So I look at the less is more theory is pretty good for a destination like ours.
Bringing in many seasonal and year-round jobs in the county.
The roads are going to have more traffic, but they understand that tourism is the lifeblood of a community like this. And at the end of the day, tourists generate sales tax.
Money collected from tourist development taxes exceeded more than $20 million last year, with a little more than $3 million collected for the month of March. Haley points out that locals may not realize how much they get when vacationers visit the Suncoast.
The tourist tax supports a lot of the local services that we all enjoy. So having those visitors mean we have quite a savings on our own taxes here in Sarasota.
Now, tourism officials from Sarasota and Manatee counties are looking to get hard numbers in the month of March in 3 to 4 weeks. Reporting live in Sarasota, Dwayne Lindo, your Suncoast News.